everyone! In this video, I will show how to use our Meta-RegGNN code to predict verbal and full-scale intelligence scores from functional brain connectomes using graph neural networks and meta-learning. This work is published and selected as oral presentation at the Prime Workshop in MICCAI Conference 2022. So first, we will start by installing Anaconda as a packet manager, and we will set up Anaconda environment. Second, we will install required packages, and finally, we will run our Meta-RegGNN code. In this step, you will download Anaconda from the following website. Choose the distribution for your operating system and click the link to download it. For example, in our project, we have downloaded Python 3.6 version for 64-bit Linux. Next, install Anaconda platform, and finally, you need to create a Conda environment where you will install packages you need by typing following commands and specify the name of the environment. Next, to install required packages, you first need to activate the environment you created previously using the following commands. Go to the following GitHub link and download our Meta-RegGNN code. As the full list of dependencies is in the requirements file, you can simply use pipe to install required packages by typing the following commands. Before running the code, I will show how your input data should be represented. In our paper, we used brain graphs that are represented by symmetric positive correlation matrices with 0 or positive eigenvalues. Created topological features are fed to Meta-RegGNN network to predict behavioral scores while solving domain fracture between training and testing data distribution. For more details, please read the doc file and the comments on command files included in our GitHub folder. Now, I will show how to run Meta-RegGNN code. So first, simulate the data and extract topological features using following command. Then, to obtain the prediction, type the following command. Obtained behavior scores will be saved. To learn more about our Meta-RegGNN code, you can check our YouTube video on Basira Lab channel. For more, please visit us at basira-lab.com. Thank you.